so delicious, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I want to do for you a green smoothie, kind of greenish smoothie. So before I go into the video, remember to like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Thank you for following me on all social at and Booth. Thank you. So here, let's go right into the green smoothie-ish recipe. Okay, so here I have a green apple that I started to cut up. It already washed, so I'm removing the middle to add it to the blender. So I didn't peel it, I just cutting it up with the skin. Okay, so I have this apple, the green apple, and I have I'm doing it the other way around, you know, guys. I didn't introduce you to my ingredient. So guys, the green apple have a little tang taste, so yeah. So I have some celery that was frozen, you know, guys, long time. I have half a ripe banana that I will be using. Yeah, there you go. Have some. First, let me introduce you to my chia seed. My chia. Seed. I'm going to use flaxseed instead of pumpkin. Introduce it to my flaxseed, guys. And all these seeds I get on Amazon, so you can go ahead and buy your seeds on Amazon. Okay. All right. I have taken out some blueberries to use, just a few. You know what, I got change the color. So yeah, and then I'm gonna add some coconut water. The original, this is Vita Coco. You can add anything you want in your smoothie. I'm gonna add some cube ice, because not only the fruit that was frozen is my blueberry. I'm not gonna worry to use the yogurt since I'm trying to go green. Let's blend. And there you have it, guys. My greenish smoothie is done. It's green smoothie, basically. Yeah, look at it. The blueberry changes everything color. So if you don't want it to change the color, you can't use blueberry, okay? It carries full color, okay? So look at it. Let's glass this now. Look at that. It's a green smoothie. It doesn't have any milk in there. It doesn't have any yogurt in there. It's all basically natural, no sweetener. Let's taste this for you. And I green smoothie. Let me taste it again. Ooh, so delicious. Yeah. So guys, if you don't like green smoothie and you want to make one, make this one. It's so delicious you wouldn't know it's green smoothie. Yeah. And what I have in here is a green apple, some celery, coconut water, blueberry, flaxseed, and chia seed, and cube ice, and half a ripe banana. So delicious. Yes guys, so go ahead and try this green smoothie. You will love it. Okay, it's so delicious. Go ahead and try it. You will love it. All right, so remember to like, share, and comment. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. So what is in this smoothie is, I told you before, the blueberry makes it color change from green. Okay, yeah, but it's actually a green smoothie. It's so delicious. The whole entire family will love this smoothie. Okay guys, go ahead and try it. Bye.